In today's tutorial we are going to be learning how to use the photographic tuning to have different tuning effects to our image. And to do that, first of all, open the image so that we can apply the photographic tuning effect. Alright, so here is our image. So first of all, I want to double click on the background layer to unlock it. I haven't done that. I will press Ctrl G to duplicate the layer. I haven't duplicated the layer. I can actually click on the eye icon here to make the layer 0 inactive while I focus on the uppermost layer, as you can see. Alright, I haven't done that. Then I move on to apply to create a new gradient map adjustment layer. And I haven't created a new gradient map adjustment layer. Click here, and then I click on this the setting button that will have here. Click on it and then select photographic tuning. And then you have a message here which says replace current gradients with the gradients from photographic tuning. Alright, to click OK. When that's done, then we'll have different presets, photographic tuning presets here, and I can apply any one. I will do that. So I apply any of the presets, we will see the result here. Right, so I can apply this, and this is what we'll have. I can also apply this, and this is what we'll have. Apply this, I can apply this, and that looks good. You can see the effect. Can actually do this to get our image ready for upload on social media. So I apply this, which looks bluish down from the other side. I can also apply this, and this also. So that's just how to go about the application of the photographic tuning. Once I'm satisfied with whatever presets that I've selected, I can go ahead and click OK, and that will be applied. Now we actually decided to use an adjustment layer because using an adjustment layer is very important, because we can just easily return back to our original image by just clicking on deactivating the adjustment layer from here with the I button. Once we deactivate the I button, we are back to our original image. Once we click again, we have the photographic tuning effect, and you can also return back by clicking on this icon here, double click, and then you can come back and apply something different. You will have a different effect. Okay, close that and close, and then we are back to our original image. So that's all about the photographic tuning. See you in the next